Good morning. Well, it's 7:30 and we are in Utah right now. We stayed at the Atomic Motel and it is already blazing hot today. But pretty cool little hotel. Had a good night's sleep and we'll be off to see the arches today as long as everyone gets up. Hi. So we left the balancing rock balanced, canceled our plans to go to the delicate arches, but instead headed towards the Devil's Playground. Looks like a face. So we're currently hiking the landscape trail. Landscape arch. We're making our way out there. It's probably about 95 degrees out right now. It's still kind of early. It's around 11 o'clock. Hopefully we'll get out to the end of this by noon and be able to hike back in before it turns 105 because we might die out here. But yeah, everyone's in high spirits. Look at Mary doing a fist pump. We've lost Craig, or he's turned into two people behind me that I don't know. I don't know what happened. But yeah, pretty awesome sight here. It's hot.
So this is supposedly the trail up to the Double O Arch. So if at any point, I'm mostly just wanting to get a better foot of this. I don't necessarily feel the need to go up there, but we can do what we want.
Okay. We'll take it slow. We're not in a rush. There's gonna be some freaky parts though, I'm sure. On your butt.
You gotta stop when you see it because you have no idea if it's gonna be 200 feet or half a mile for your next day.
100%.
Stay hydrated. You don't want to get dizzy.
Oh no.
No. Yep. You got it though. You got it.
I suppose he's gonna do this.
I don't know. There he is. There he is to save the day. So, we're up here at the arch. Oh, and it's hot today, but it's a beautiful view. Couple of arches up this way. All right.
better one.
All right, 3% battery. I didn't bring another one, so I need to move quickly to get the double arches. If I want to see them, which way? Which way? Run, run. Here they are. I might not get any. I didn't mean to use that much film. How did I use that much battery? Oh well. Sand is tough to walk in. But here they are in all their glory. Sweet.
Ready? 1, 2.
Out of battery and being far too hot, we decided to escape the sun and head back to our hotel for a few hours.
5 hours later.
And it is 106 degrees.
7:25 in Moab.
Ooh, it is hot.
It is hot, hot, hot.
It is hot.
Serious stuff.
We cooled down when we could with some water. Just killing the GoPro right now. Just killing it. Trying to take some serious video of myself. So when I get older, I know what I look like. Craig went on the search for a new hat.
I don't know if the green is. I don't know.
Not sure. Maybe it's the outfit.
I like the
Maybe
green.
it could be the outfit. You do like the green?
What do you think you'd look better in a brown?
Yeah, look right. It's not with the blue, right?
Is this
We know
the-
that.
And we went out for Thai food. Fried rice, hot sake, beer and wine. Oh, and it's in Thai. Nice. This is nice and cute. Oops, excuse me.
Let's get some hot curry. It's not hot enough already, is it?
It's not nearly hot enough. What's the temperature right now?
Let's have a look.
It's
93 degrees.
93. It's not too bad.
Evening. Hello.
Before dinner arrived, Craig filled out a postcard to send home to the other roommates. Little did I know I'd find the best cow soy I'd had since Chiang Mai in Moab, Utah.
Did you sign the card?
Oh, I gotta sign the card? I will. All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Guys.
Cheers.
Crazy bunch.
Surviving the arches.
Mr.
Craig.
Moab thinks it's great.
Craig has bought a pet.
Moab!
His name
Enjoying the heat.
His name is Moab.
I love to be 100 degrees at night.
Comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next adventure.
I think they're being friendly. Are they fighting?
I don't know.